Hello everyone, Ken here with another episode of Virginia Dirt Pirate. Today I'm back at the old sawmill that I discovered back in episode 2. Discovered it by following an old road which led down out of the hills over there. Led down to the creek, and then I noticed this over here. This concrete platform. And there's pieces of iron sticking out of the ground. Large pulleys. They probably weigh about 200 pounds apiece. I think this place dates late 1800s, early 1900s. There's a mix of square nails and modern round nails. And I did find a 1907 V-nickel. So that would be about right for the time period. Anyway, I'm going to do some digging, see what else I can find, and see if I can't nail down the time period for this place. Okay, down near the creek, right in front of the sawmill. First real find of the day here, first interesting one anyway. It's a small key. Can't really tell how old it is. It doesn't look especially old. May not be, I don't know. I'm going to have to take it home, clean it off, see if there's anything on it that I can identify. Okay, so there's a pile of larger rocks here, larger than you see pretty much anywhere else in the creek. And further down the creek you can see some other large rocks, like they may have washed down the creek. And here's an iron pipe that leads up out of this area here. And you can see it comes out over here. And I believe it's pointing right in the direction of where the sawmill is. Okay, last good signal was junk. This one looks like it might be good. We'll see. Okay, where did it go? There it is. Looks like first coin of the day. This is not far from where I found a V-nickel when I was here the last time. Oh crap, did I hit it? I think I hit it. Let's see. So I'm expecting to find either an Indian or an early weedy. And let's see if I can, yeah, I smacked it, didn't I? Damn. I think it's a weedy. Yeah, it's a weedy. I think it's a weedy. Alright. Can't see it too well. I think it's a wheat cent. It's probably an early one. I'm going to take a minute and do a proper clean job on it. See if I can't figure out what it is and what the date is. Yes, it's a wheat cent. And It has a date on it, but I can't quite make it out. I'm going to have to scrub on it to get it. Either way, it's in terrible shape. I'm assuming it's probably a very early wheat cent. But we'll see. I'll clean it up when I get home. All right. This one's a bit iffy, but it is there. It says it's deep. All right, let's try it. And shell casing. All right. This looks like a good coin signal. Manticore says it's right there. So let's see if the pinpointer can find it. Aha. Alright. Come on, give me a coin. Give me a coin. There's a coin, I think. Yep. Yep. It's a coin. All right. I can't just wipe it off and see what it is, huh? You're not just not okay. It's a Lincoln. I can see that now. Let's see if I can get an easy date on this one. Nope. I can tell it's a Lincoln. I know it's a Wheatie, but I can't get a date on it. Wow. Every single coin from here is just been toasted. All right. I'm going to try to do some work on it when I get home. Okay. So I got another penny signal under this under these leaves here. And look, there's a bottle here. And it might be a whole bottle. Has something on the bottom. Has something on the side too. Okay. Let's see what it is. Is it a whole bottle? Yes, it is. I'll be daggoned. It's an old cork top. I don't know whether it's got a tooled top or not. Let's see what it says on here. What does that say? Rain King or Rain King? I guess that's it. Pain King. Pain King? Oh my God. Okay. Maybe it has a little bit of alcohol in it. Let's see what does it say here. Porter's Pain King. Wow. I'm gonna have to go home and look that one up. I might be able to get a date on that. That would be very cool. What does it say on the bottom? Looks like CHR maybe. Something else. I'm gonna have to take this home and clean it up. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Let's see if it's a tooled top. Can't really tell. Can't feel the seam on it. It might be. Either that or it's a very early machine-made bottle. Interesting. All right. On to the next. All right. Whatever it is, I kicked it out. And the Manticore says it's right there. All right, so let's see if we can find it. Manticore, where is it? Show me. Alright, I think I moved it a little bit. Let's try over here. Okay. Do I see a coin? What is it? What is it? I think it's a coin. I think we have another coin. I knew it was a coin from the signal. Hey, this one looks like it's got some meat on it. And let's see. It's a Lincoln. I think it might be in pretty good shape, but I'm going to have to do some work on it to get that date. And I'm going to get a date on at least one of these. I promise you. Yep, a really nasty weedy. I'm going to have to work on all of them when I get home. Just want one date. Give me one date. Okay, time to go over everything we found today. I'm going to go ahead and start with the bottle, which I found purely by accident while I was digging up another signal. It's a fairly typical bottle for that time period, which would be post-World War I, late 19-teens, early 1920s. It's a cork top, machine-made, ball neck, very typical for that time period. And it has Porter's Pain King embossed on it, as well as something on the bottom too. It has CHR and some numbers. I'm not sure what that means. But I did some research on Porter's Pain King, and apparently it was for nervous and sick headache, rheumatic and neuralgic pain, toothache, backache, sprains, bruises, and burns. And the main ingredient was alcohol. 63% alcohol, at least in the original formula. Now, they ended up having to change their formula due to prohibition. Obviously, I guess it had too much alcohol in it. Aside from that, we found several Wheaties in very, very bad shape. One of them was just barely identifiable as a Wheatie. But I did get a date off of one of them, and the date is 1920. So that fits pretty much with everything else. Let's see. I have a couple of things here I can't identify. I'm not sure what these are. Then we have a shell casing, several shotgun shells, small buckle. This is part of an oil lamp. And this is from a clock. These are fairly common to find. This, however, is not common. This is an ignition key for a Ford Model T. The Model T was the first mass-produced automobile that was available to the masses, and it was manufactured from 1908 until 1927. Keys with this type of diamond-shaped head were made from 1919 until 1927. The ones from 1919 until 1926 were nickel-silver. This one is brass, so it would have been made in either 1926 or 1927. So that narrows it down a bit. It also has a maker's mark on it. That's the little diamond right there. And that stands for Clum Manufacturing. There were several other different maker marks. There's a B for Briggs & Stratton, and another one, there's a little crown for King Manufacturing. So there was a variety of maker's marks. And there's also a number on the back. This one is number 52, and that's a series number. So the key has a number 52 on it, and your ignition switch in the car would have had a number 52 on it. And apparently all the keys with number 52 were exactly the same. And they would work in any car ignition that had the number 52 on it. So apparently that made it very easy for thieves to steal them. But this is a very unusual find. I've never found one of these before. It has the original Ford logo on it and everything. So it's a very nice find. I'm very happy to have it. But anyhow, this is a very interesting site, and I will definitely be going back there again very soon. So if you like what you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe. It would really help me out a lot. And remember, dig it all, fill in your holes, and leave nothing but footprints.